Hey, Dave Knight here, 123daytrade.com. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being here. I had a meeting that I needed to attend at 10 a.m. today, my time. I wanted to trade the opening, crude oil opening. I haven't actually been able to do it usually I'm working on day, but I had a PTO day today, paid day off, and to attend a meeting. I wanted to go over my trade quickly with you. Was able to take advantage of the open. I'm hoping that you see what we've done through the day, right? Pivot hadn't hit S3. What's the trade? Reaching down here. Wave count, right? Looking at a wave count.
I love you. Only it's smart to trade.
Depending upon how you view it, could look at this at 0. This looks like a 1, but this could be a 1, 2, 3, 4. Anyway, so this is the 4 going to 5 right here. Still part of the 4 area. This is the opening area, and our target was S3. So that was my trade setup. I went short at the open at 9, and I was able to pull out 43 ticks off of 2 trades. We're already now at S3 says it hasn't been run here, but the S3 target has definitely been run on your charts. There's something to do with Ninja and the tick trade charts that don't show up correctly. I mean, there's some errors to Ninja, obviously, so you have to take a look at. It's good to know where different things are valued at, though. So it's not like it's a bad thing, but like I said, there's some hiccups with Ninja that I definitely don't like as opposed to CTS. But I really like Apex. So Apex Trader Funding. As far as my account balance goes, no. Today was day 8. I picked up 43 ticks. It was a very quick trade. I think I was in maybe a total of 5 minutes altogether. You can see there it is right there, net liquidation value at 51,770.32. Fighting a kidney stone. I get stuck. Yay. Anyway, so I have a meeting to attend at 10 a.m. I want to be prepared for that. Nice little trade setup here overall to get involved. As far as the setup on the so here's your setup. Hopefully you can see it before I even put it on the board. So here's your 1, 2, 3 setup coming in. Here's your 9 o'clock mark right about here. Got a short right in here. Beautiful setup with the MACD Williams %R going down. Target related. The high of the market was 78.5. Plug that into my spreadsheet. I know that with a 12p move concurrently speaking, the market could possibly move to 75.09. We had moved to 9p, almost 9p, and my theory is once we go to 8, 10 is coming. So I was all things look good as far as the overall trade itself. I took advantage of a trade setup that I saw. I knew that we had the possibility to run to 75.66 was my target. If I look at the overall, I knew that 75.66 would force it to get through S3. The low actually of this bar, I didn't even look at it. Let's just look at the low of this bar. So it went to 75.67. So there's another verification of the market likes to move. So got within 1 tick of 10p down move. Before it was 1 tick of 9p down move. It was the low prior was 75.95. You can see that the low that I had on the charts at the time, 75.95. So actually a low right now is 75.67, all things being equal right now. So the more things that you can get verification that something's going to happen, the more apt that it will happen, in my humble opinion, as a trader. So when you find 2 or 3 things coming together, for instance, I showed you 3 things today. I showed you the wave theory, I showed you the 10p movement on the 369, kind of a Gann thing, and I also showed you the S3 mark where could run the S3 mark. There's 3 things that correlated today that showed that the market had a possibility to reach S3 before turning around. So I was able, like I traded 2, got 40. I should have had a plus 50 day, but I was happy to get in plus 43 overall. Right now, we can see the market's moving the other direction on us after reaching down to the S3 mark, right? All right, that's going to wrap it up for this trading video and for my week. Now, Monday is President's Day. I'm not going to trade that day, obviously. So then next week, a possible 4 trading days next week, depending upon what days I trade. Probably, definitely Tuesday. So I'll end up trading probably 3 out of the 4 of next week. We'll see if we can reach that 53,000 mark. We're at 51,770 now. So I'm a little more than halfway. Let's see if I just trying to win 50, not lose 50. That's kind of my overall goal right now. Win 50, don't lose 50. We'll talk to you on the next video I put together. It's Dave Knight here at 123 Day Trade. Thanks for watching. Thank you for being here. I'll see you on the next video I put together. Bye for now.